Folks, explaining a business process can take longer than completing it. You finish the task, but then you still need to capture every step and turn it into something another person can follow. Because of that, useful guides often get delayed or never created. I am Daniel, and today we're looking at Haiku, a platform that records a real workflow and automatically turns it into a clear, step-by-step guide. Instead of rebuilding the process afterward, the tool captures it while you work. This helps teams save time and makes repeated tasks easier to share. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Big thanks to Haiku for sponsoring today's video. Alright, let's get started. Folks, Haiku is built for teams that need to share the way work gets done without spending extra hours writing instructions. Instead of stopping to take screenshots or type in every step yourself, you simply complete the task as you normally would. The platform captures your actions and turns them into a clear walkthrough that other people can follow. That makes it useful for all kinds of business situations. It works well for onboarding new employees, customer tutorials, and everyday business processes. Teams can also use it to keep internal knowledge organized and update standard operating procedures whenever something changes. Another advantage is flexibility. Haiku works with both browser and desktop tasks, so it fits many different day-to-day workflows, instead of being limited to a single type of activity. Mates, what really sets it apart is what happens after the capture. You are not left with a raw recording that someone has to watch from beginning to end. The result is a polished guide that can be edited with AI and updated as the workflow evolves. On supported plans, branding can be added in just a few clicks, making the guide ready to share across the team. Guys, before we jump into the setup, let's quickly look at the pricing. There's a free plan with up to 10 guides, and it doesn't require a credit card to get started. That makes it easy to explore the platform before deciding whether you need a paid plan later. As your needs grow, you can upgrade for more advanced features. Now, after installing the browser extension, we can start capturing the process. One useful option here is audio and camera recording. Instead of relying only on written instructions, it's possible to include a voice explanation, a webcam recording, or both. That gives people a little more context when a visual walkthrough alone isn't enough. Mates, I'll create a simple Google Docs file to show how it works. Instead of preparing screenshots or writing instructions afterward, I simply complete the task normally, while the extension records each action in the background. Once I finish and stop the recording, everything is automatically turned into a structured walkthrough. Every action already includes screenshots, descriptions, and click markers, so there is very little manual work left. After that, the guide is still fully editable, so you can clean up anything that needs more context. If the original process changes over time, the walkthrough can be updated instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Folks, AI editing also helps speed things up. Rather than rewriting every description manually, the built-in assistant can improve the wording and clean up the final result in just a few clicks. Small changes like these may not seem important at first, but they make the final guide much easier for someone else to follow. The appearance of each step can also be adjusted. It's possible to blur sensitive information, customize the click marker, and make the important action much easier to notice. After that, it's time to preview the result. The finished page looks clean and easy to follow, which makes it much more practical than sharing a raw screen recording. Mates, sharing is flexible as well. The finished page can be sent with a link, embedded into other platforms, or exported in several formats, depending on how the team prefers to use it. Everything is then saved inside one shared workspace. Instead of searching through different folders or old documents, the entire library stays organized and can be updated whenever something changes. The platform also includes analytics. It's possible to see how people interact with each guide, including views and completion progress. That gives teams a better understanding of which tutorials are being used regularly and which ones may need to be updated or improved over time. That is what makes this platform stand out. The task is completed once and organized automatically. After that, the material stays ready for onboarding, customer tutorials, or other repeatable processes. So guys, let's wrap this up. Haiku is built for teams that want to spend less time creating instructions and more time getting work done. Instead of building everything manually, the platform turns a real workflow into something that is much easier to share and maintain. I also like that it goes beyond the initial capture. The workspace keeps the guides organized, analytics show how people use them, and existing materials can be updated without starting from scratch every time. Of course, mates, I would still review the final result before sharing it with a wider team, especially for important business processes. But overall, the workflow feels fast, practical, and easy to fit into everyday work. If your team regularly creates onboarding materials, internal knowledge, or customer tutorials, Haiku is definitely worth checking out. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.